On YouTube, man, I got a task for myself today. I'm in this big ass dump truck trying to go through a 10-foot clear. And
talk about it.
I gotta get it. Yeah, get this whole. Oh shit! I like the broke dip my ankle. We at hardest in the dump truck. Is this gonna work?
We at hardest in the dump truck. We in this drive-through in the dump truck. We ain't in the truck. We in a dump truck.
Oh, we don't
Man,
get
it's a
stuck.
real monster truck right here. But all lifted trucks get through here.